Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we will be playing Build a Boat for Treasure on Roblox, and I will be showing you how to do 2 fly glitches, and they work and if you get any team, but you would probably want white team because it's straight on. So let's get into it. So first you're going to want to go to your hammer, go to your plus and turn anchor block off. Then you're going to want to go to your star, click one glue block, then normal blocks, scroll down, you're going to need 5 golden blocks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just like so. Then you're going to want to go back to your star, find the hinge, you're going to put it in the middle and go 1, 2, 3. Press it on so it looks a bit like a flower. Then you've got to stand onto there. Then you've got to find more glue blocks, go 1 more glue block, 2 glue blocks, then do that, and then you should just, when you walk, you should start to go, then you can jump, and then, yeah, you go, flip, wait, why can't I stop? Oh, there we go. Just like so, and then it gets you to the end really quickly. You could just fly over the whole map, but I like flying through all of them so you get the money for each stage, because if you just fly over the map then you'll only get the money for the first one and the last one, I think. But if you fly through all of them, then you're going to get all of the money for the ones that have loaded in. So that's the first one. Now I'm going to show you the second one. So the second one, I like the first one more than the second one, but the second one does work as well. So you're going to want 1 wood block, and you're going to want 1 titanium block on that wood. Then you're going to want some titanium rods. You've got to turn the titanium rod. You've got to click one there. And you've got to put the other one like that. Then you're going to want, if I go into the shop, when you buy these red jets, you will get the pilot seat that you need for this with it. But you're going to want to get, oh wait, it's in here. So then you're going to want to get the hinge and do it so the hinge has the yellow bit facing up, just like so. Then you're going to want another wooden block on the hinge, like that. Then you've got to go in here, find a magnet, put the magnet, so it's right like that, I think. Yeah, let's try like that. Then you're going to want to find, oh wait, no, it's probably in the start. You're going to want to find the pilot seat. This is the car seat. Beneath it, there should be a pilot seat. When you buy the jets, then you put the pilot seat on like that, and you could see a rainbowy line going to the pilot seat, I mean. Then you got to sit on there, got to turn on the magnet, delete this bottom one, and then you should start going. Oh no, that's a game glitcher. Ooh. With this one, I like flying above, because this one's more calming. But, no. Oh, hold on. It's more calming, but, and it's also a lot easier when you're over the top. But it's also really hard to get to the end with. So that's the other one. And, oh wait, I'm getting closer. Think I can go like, yes, go down. Perfect landing, yes, I got it. Just got to quickly run over here. Can I build up here? No way. Oh no. Out of bounds. So then, why did I die? Normally it would be like that, so then you can do that. So if you like the video and you like more content, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Thanks, bye.